Hey, this is Nat, and we're off our couch and back in St. Augustine, Florida. St. Augustine is located on the northeast coast of Florida and is about 40 miles from Jacksonville, 55 miles from Daytona Beach, and 100 miles from Orlando. St. Augustine is considered to be the nation's oldest city and is over 450 years old, making it a prime destination for seeing and learning about all types of history. And there are so many sites and activities to take in that you can easily spend a day exploring the city, which means you're going to need to grab a bite to eat to get through all this exploration. And another video, the link to check that video out is in the description box. We took you to 6 of our favorite places to eat in St. Augustine. But we are now back with more recommendations because we've been doing more exploring and therefore more eating. So I can share with you 5 more places to snack while in St. Augustine's historic district. Our first stop is at A1A Burrito Works Taco Shop because I have been anxiously awaiting to try their world famous UFO. Plus they've been featured on the cooking channel, so let's go see what this is all about. The shop is really quirky and has so much personality. There's just so much to look at. It visually draws you in. There's graffiti and cool, colorful, unique art on the wall. It almost feels like I'm in a gallery rather than a taco shop. And they even have a palm tree with Christmas lights. And oh, there's the menu too. The visual stimuli almost distracted me from what we came here for, to try the world famous UFO. So you can see there are quite a few options to choose from. There are burrito bowls, quesadillas, nachos, and more. And even when you narrow the choice down to the UFO, there are still a slew of options available to choose. For our UFO, we can choose from the works or a Baja style. We can also pick from land or sea options. Honestly, I needed guidance, and the cook happily assisted me and recommended the works since it's the traditional burrito style, and for the meat, the green chili pork. So that's what we went with, the UFO works with green chili pork. This hefty sized meal that we will be sharing between the two of us set us back $8.75. The UFO is both crunchy and soft, which I like, and there is a sauce on it that has some kick, especially if you bite into a part that's heavily sauced. That happened to me and it blew open my sinuses, seriously. That being said, it's not the most flavorful burrito I have had. We stole some queso though from our son's nachos to add to the UFO, and that did it for us. It was so good. I highly recommend this. $8.75 fed the two of us. It was hearty. I loved the texture, and the queso sauce gave us that extra flavor we needed. Now, if you're not feeling Mexican food, or maybe you just have a taste for something different, then I'm sure you can find something you enjoy at Lick It. Lick It serves everyday favorites like hot dogs, french fries, chicken, fish, and ice cream. And today we tried both the fish and chips and the chicken and chips. The chips or french fries are absolutely delicious. So you could just grab these alone as a snack and be satisfied. They are lightly breaded, thick, crispy on the outside, and you get that authentic potato taste on the inside. These fries are my favorite, but I want to try a full entree this time so I could have something that would carry me through most of the day. First off, both entrees came out to us piping hot. The fish has a nice batter and a pretty fresh taste. I like the presentation too. I think the newspaper lining is a nice touch. As for the chicken, I like the breading of the chicken as well, and it was also fresh. Both entrees are what I would expect to get for the price at a tourist spot. The taste of the food met my expectations, and the temperature and quantity of the food actually exceeded my expectations. We shared 2 entrees between the 4 of us and still had leftovers. In my opinion, the entrees are a great value at $10.95, especially if you're looking for something less expensive that will still fill you up. Now I am full, but there's one more thing I need to try at Lickett. Dole Whips originate from Oahu, Hawaii, and are also popular at Disney World and Disneyland. But I don't have to go anywhere because they serve them right here at Lickett. I have never had one, so I have to try one. We went with a regular cup and we can mix 2 flavors together. So of course we did that. The Dole Whips are $5 each, and we tried a pineapple strawberry Dole Whip and a chocolate strawberry Dole Whip. The chocolate strawberry combination is delicious. I enjoyed the taste of the chocolate and strawberry equally. They were just a perfect combination. Now I had my pineapple lovers try the pineapple strawberry Dole Whip, and nothing but praise still. I can see why these are so popular, being delicious and still fat-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, and cholesterol-free. The Dole Whips are really big, so they are shareable, as long as you can agree on which flavors to try. Now I decided to splurge a little and head to Le Macaron for a treat to snack on while on the go. And I do consider this a splurge at $2.60 per pastry. But they're so small, I figure I can still enjoy a couple even if I have had more than enough dessert. Now these are the same bakeries you see in your local malls or kiosks, so there's nothing really unique about the food items. But what I really like is the look of the location, especially the George Street location. There are actually 2 Le Macaron French pastry shops in St. Augustine's historic district, and the location on George Street combines the delightful decor and Parisian theme with the charm of St. Augustine. So it's a great place to enjoy a break from the weather and take some lovely and unique pictures. But I didn't just come here to admire the scenery. I am going to grab some macarons because I do like these. They're just so tiny, colorful, cute, and they taste good too. We tried 6 different flavors for $15. Red velvet, bubblegum, rose, lavender white chocolate, mint white chocolate, and salt caramel. They were all good, but my favorite was the salt caramel. It's a great combination of sweet and salty, but there are some bites where the salty overcomes the sweet, and I just love that. We actually stopped in the other location and grabbed another one to enjoy on the go. And while on the go, just randomly walking, I ran into this cozy coffee shop, Crucial Coffee Cafe. This is pretty much an inviting, calm, dark coffee shop in the middle of the sunshine. The environment feels welcoming and even soothing to me, and there are so many options besides coffee on the menu. There are lots of baked goods, along with refreshing drinks, some even including alcohol. The baked goods look yummy, but I have had enough to eat, so I'm just going to grab a drink today, and the choices are abundant. I see both cold and hot options to choose from. And while I'm pondering the decision of what to get, I'm just drawn to the windows. I love how the sunshine beams into the dark shop. And I love the look of a bookstore plus coffee shop. But I don't think it's actually meant to sit down and cozy up with a book while enjoying your snack and drink. I'm sure it's just here for ambience. So I'll just head outside to enjoy my drink, which is not a problem because look at this lovely patio area. This is a beautiful area to kick back, relax, socialize, enjoy a snack, or sip on a drink. And we are sipping and enjoying a frozen lemonade today. The lemonade costs $7.25. It's sweet, tart, and delicious. But next time I will try a cookie or slice of pie to have along with my drink at this lovely patio. Station for a great snack in St. Augustine's historic district is ice cream. I'm screaming because we all scream for ice cream, right? Well, if you don't normally scream for ice cream, maybe you'll find something to scream about at Castillo Ice Cream. Right across from Castillo de San Marcos National Monument, you'll find 40 ice cream flavors to choose from. And they offer some different flavors you don't normally see. Honestly, some of these flavors I have never seen before, like honey roasted peanut butter, little blue panda, and a few others. And I love to try something new, especially when it's a combination of flavors I know I love. So I went with sea salted cookies and cream. I did not know that sea salt and cookies and cream could be combined, but I'm so glad that it is. This is unbelievably good and my new favorite ice cream flavor. We also tried the brown butter bourbon truffle, and it tastes as good as it sounds. This ice cream is rich, very creamy, and they do not go easy on the truffles. It is heavy on the truffles and exactly as advertised. And my son had cookies and cream with extra cookies, and he loved it. I was incredibly impressed with the flavors and quality of this ice cream, and they also offer frozen drinks and coffee as well. The single scoop in a cup costs $4.46, and the single scoop in a waffle cone costs $5.16. Extra toppings were just 70 cents each. I like this ice cream shop, so I will be back. 3 flavors down, 37 more to go. Okay, so here are 5 places to snack while visiting in St. Augustine's Historic District. I hope I mentioned at least one spot that piqued your interest, and tell me where your go-to snacking spots are in the Historic District of St. Augustine. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe so you can catch us on our next outing, and click on the video to see more of our experiences in St. Augustine. Thanks for watching.